Hi guys, so today I am going to make champagne soap and it smells really good, by the way. So what I did was that I let it sit for a few days in the refrigerator, let all the alcohol dissolve and evaporate, let all the carbonation evaporate. I did not want to boil it because that loses all its benefits. So leaving it and letting it sit is the best way. And then I'm gonna flip the camera over real quick. And then make sure your scale is at 0. At 0. Come on. Okay. And then I'm going to pour this in here and I'm going to pop it in the freezer. And I will see you guys in a bit. Okay, guys. So I'm going to put a little bit of lye periodically into the iced champagne. And because it's a long process, I'm going to fast forward it. So see you guys. Okay guys, so I got batter on my arm and I was scared and I had to run and wash off my arm really quick before anything started to burn. So sorry about that. I'm back. Okay, so right here I seriously had to move very fast. This thing is like hardening up so quickly, and it is champagne and it's very sugary, and sugar tends to harden things and move things really rapidly. Okay, so I am just about done, and I just gotta pour in the last little bit of pink and then a little bit of beige. Okay, as you can see, it is super stiff and I didn't even have time to do my tap or anything. It's just like hardening it up really quick, so I have to pipe and then get this over with. And what I did was that I split the pink and the white together in my piping bag, so it can it will come out white at first, but then you'll start seeing a little bit of pink here and there, and that's just how I wanted it to look, to give it like a diverse color. And while I'm piping this, I really hope you guys check out my Twitter account and my Instagram account, and I'll leave it down in the description below. I usually post pictures and things about myself and things that I doing, and it's really fun. And right now I'm like really into this game called A Tale of Two Brothers, and it's about like a boy who lost his mom at sea and ends up, in the beginning it starts off where she's drowning and he's trying to save her, and it's like really sad and really dramatic, and I'm really into this game right now, so much that I bought it, and I'm hoping that I am able to play it, but I'm not sure. But I'm really into it, and it's just a sad dramatic story. And as you can see, it's just the pink is starting to come out. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna pour in a little bit of glitter right now, and I'm gonna put some red on top and then more stuff. And then I'm gonna put these little like white little pebbles on top to make it look like bubbly. It is a champagne soap, so I'm adding a lot of bubbles, a lot of little balls and pearls and things like that, and little color, just to give it a little bit of extra. I love texture, I love glitter, and I think the little white pearls are gonna give it that fizziness that I'm looking for, that I'm really excited about. So I'm just gonna individually put them in there, make sure they're sticking. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put these cool little diamonds that I love, and I just powdered them with mica, this like rose colored mica, and it looks really pretty, by the way. And that just stops. I think the mica, when you cover the melt and pour embeds with mica, it tends not to sweat or anything like that. So that's why I most of my embeds from now on will be colored with mica powder, especially right now with this heat. And then please do not forget to spray with alcohol. It has to be over, I want to say 95% alcohol. And that prevents it from having soda ash on top. Now, if you know soda ash, it's horrible. So I'm just gonna pour in my little diamond embeds, which I think is pretty neat. It is a champagne soap, so it's meant for you to relax, and it gives a lot of bubbles and makes you feel good. And while you're at it in the tub, I would have a glass of champagne as well. So I think it's pretty neat, and I love the benefits of champagne, especially in on your skin, which is pretty awesome that I pulled this off. And it smells like champagne. It's very fruity and delicious, so I love it. Okay, guys, check it out. My diamond champagne soap. It smells amazing. I just want to eat it, but I can't, and it really sucks. But I love it. It looks super, super pretty, and I love everything. Okay, guys, I am ready to cut. Yay. So, like, see how this came out? It smells really, really good, by the way. I'm just, oh, it's really soft. Wow. And I left it for 2 days and it's still super soft. Wow. Oh, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. So I'm really happy with it. And it's, wow, it's really, really soft. Now I'm trying to cut in between the diamonds. Oh my God. I never had a soft soap before. It's super, super, super soft. But it's super pretty. It looks like it wanted to gel. But I did pop it in the refrigerator because in order to avoid for it from sizing up and stuff, you have to put it in the refrigerator because um, it starts getting that volcano effect. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. So this is my bar of soap, guys. My champagne soap. It was really easy to make, really simple. I I had no issues with it, not even when I put in the fragrance oil. It did not rise on me, it did not seize up, nothing. It was perfect. So um, I'm really happy with it. I would say it smells like champagne and it came out real pretty. And I'm really happy with it. But anyways, my son is having a blast. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Till next time.